Hey there, smart shoppers. Welcome back to Buy Smart, the channel that helps you make wise purchasing decisions. Today, we have a face-off between two grooming giants. In the left corner, we have the Philips OneBlade replacement blade QP220/50, and in the right corner, its challenger, the Philips OneBlade replacement blade. Let's get ready to compare. Alright, let's kick things off with the price. The Philips OneBlade replacement blade QP220/50 comes in at a whopping $0. That's right, folks, it's absolutely free. But hold on, before you start scrambling to grab your wallets, let's take a look at its opponent. The Philips OneBlade replacement blade will cost you around $30. Ouch, looks like product B is starting off on the wrong foot. Now, let's talk about durability. The QP220/50 comes with not one, but two replaceable blades. And get this, each blade lasts up to 8 months. That's like having a personal barber at your disposal for an entire year. On the other hand, the regular OneBlade replacement blade also lasts up to 8 months. Looks like we have a tie in this round. It's anyone's game. Moving on to versatility. The QP220/50 fits all OneBlade handles, so you can switch it up whenever you feel like it. Plus, it's rechargeable and can trim, edge, and shave any length of hair. Now, let's see what product B brings to the table. Ah yes, it also trims, edges, and shaves any length of hair. But wait, there's more. It has a glide coating and rounded tips to protect your precious skin. Looks like product B is trying to redeem itself in this round. The Philips OneBlade replacement blade QP220/50 is a highly recommended accessory for grooming routines. It offers effortless precision, long-lasting durability, versatility, easy installation, and is gentle on the skin. It is also cost-effective, making it a worthy investment. Overall, it exceeds expectations and delivers sharp, precise, and comfortable results for Philips OneBlade users or anyone in need of a reliable replacement blade. And that's a wrap, folks. We've compared the Philips OneBlade replacement blade QP220/50 and its rival, the Philips OneBlade replacement blade. While the QP220/50 may be a steal with its price tag of $0, the regular OneBlade replacement blade offers some additional features like the glide coating and rounded tips for skin protection. So which one is the winner? Well, it all comes down to your personal preferences and budget. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and hit that notification bell to stay updated on all our latest comparisons. And as always, stay smart and buy smart.